try and find a cheap base online. Usually something of what they want, full size, 75%, whatever. In this particular situation, he wanted a full size keyboard. So the full size keyboard that we are going to go with is going to be the Aula F99. I'm going to open it up real quick here. Like I said, we usually try and find a super cheap option available like on eBay, just because we do want to customize it for them, but then also kind of keep it within like a good, like, a good price point. Like, I don't want to have it be super expensive for them. This is like their first entry-level keyboard into the computer keyboard space, or the mechanical keyboard space. So here we go. Anyways, so we usually go with an open box of whatever they're looking for, if I can find it. This one's the F99. Tried to find a Pro, but there was not a Pro out there that really was cheap enough for me to like customize and still keep it like semi-affordable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this keyboard, right here, it's looking good. We're gonna take this one, customize it, and send it off. So stay tuned and let me know what you think at the end. We're gonna do the keycaps, switches, and I think that's really it. So enjoy. So for the switches, we're going to be putting in these Gateron Jade switches, very similar to the Gateron Milky Yellows. So they were looking for like a more like Thocky type sounding profile. So we're going to put those in, and then these keycaps are just from another Aula F99 that we took apart and put different keycaps on, just black, white, and gray. Gave them the option to go that kind of like the cheaper route since I already had this stuff around. Yeah, we're gonna speed this one up too, and then we'll get to like a sound test at the end. Just got done adding all the switches, and we're gonna put the keycaps on now. So this is the sound test of before we change everything. These are just the Reaper switches. What it sounds like after we have switched out the switches to the Gateron Jades and put back on the Cherry stock F99 keycaps.